Okay, so now we'll move on to Sweden's compliance and their state and the pretty much how they got to where they are now in their legislation. So we can start off with 1991. There was basically an act that allowed research to be done on embryos for up to 14 days. After 14 days, it was considered a law-abiding citizen. So this would be a zygote specifically, actually. Research on zygote for 14 days. And then in 2002, well, they needed a place to get all of these eggs and a place to pretty much hold stem cells and do experiments on them. However, it had to be legalized at the time. So 2002, the Biobank and Medical Care Act occurred, and this basically legislated stem cell banks in Sweden. And now moving on to 2005, this is the really important one right here. Put a star on it. So this was when legislation of human embryo cloning actually became legislated for therapeutic use. And this is the important one, because this is what other countries do not comply with right here. And this has to go back to the ethical issues with cloning a human and pretty much killing it before it even has any potential to live and survive whatsoever. I mean, it's only 14 days old in regards to following their laws. But in 2005, this was approved by Sweden, and it complies with their ethical codes. And they personally do this because that they think, even though they may be taking away someone's life, this potentially could lead to just a medical revolution or biological phenomenon if they can actually start getting this going. And they actually did.